next episode. Currently, we have our bow put together. We're now printing the centerpiece and the two aft pieces, along with a outboard stand, and our boat stand is done, so let me show you that. And there you go. So here's our boat stand. It turned out pretty well, just screws in with 4 screws. And then here is the bow of the boat. So currently, we are printing aft piece number 2 because I accidentally titled these out of order. And here's our outboard holder. Now, our outboard is fully done. It's not built yet, but all the pieces are printed. So we have the outboard piece, we have the cowling, we have the coupler somethings, coupler spacing, thing that goes on the end of the prop, and the gearbox door. So it's going pretty well right now, I would say. So I will update you when something goes wrong. So we have the boat right here, and this is our small pool or a spool, and I think we're just gonna throw it in there, so let's hope for the best. Looks perfect, honestly. Looks like it survives. Just like that. Yeah, she floats. I probably could have put a deck drain right there, but I never really thought about that, and it's too late now, so hopefully it'll all just drain to the stern, and yeah. So let's go bring this back upstairs, and I will update you tomorrow, very late, actually in the 3rd episode, when the whole boat is glued together, and then we'll do the outboard for the next episode. So that is it for this one, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this little quick update and a water test. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one.